Okay.
Shafika, what are you doing with that?
I'm playing, teacher.
Do you know what is that?
I think it's good for my music as well, and I feel like it's a car.
Oh man, do you know what is the use of it?
No, I don't know, teacher. What is it?
Didik TV KPM.
Hi, Assalamualaikum, salam sejahtera. Welcome to Didik TV KPM, and today we'll be learning about... Oops, it's not making a sound. Well, actually today we're going to explore more on mathematics DLP. DLP stands for Dual Language Program. That means we're learning in English today. But before anything, please let me remind you to always practice your SOP set by the government. Wash your hands frequently, wear your hand sanitizers, and wear your mask when you go outside the house, and always maintain a physical distance of at least 1 meter between each other. Okay, today's topic is Abacus and mental calculation. So we will be learning more about these two things. But before that, let me please introduce first our teacher that kind of like asked me to know better about the thing that we're going to learn today, this one. So teacher, welcome to the studio.
Thank you.
Hi, our teacher today is Teacher Ragu Ramasamy.
Yes.
And you're from SK Bukit
Bandaraya,
Bandaraya,
exactly.
Kuala Lumpur.
Yes.
All right, teacher, can you introduce yourself first?
Hi everyone.
Yeah.
Good morning. My name is Ragu Ramasamy. I'm a teacher in SK Bukit Bandaraya. I'm teaching maths.
Maths,
Alright.
okay. Kids, are you ready to explore today's lesson? But before anything, teacher, do you agree it will be dull without our kids today?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, so we're going to invite them in, kids. Hello, kids. Welcome to the studio. Hi, everyone. Can you give a hi to us? Okay, kids, can we ask you to introduce yourself one by one, starting with perhaps Humaira. Hi, Humaira.
Hi, Assalam sejahtera. My name is Waalaikumsalam.
Okay. Thank you, Humaira. All right, can we have up next, Ira?
Hi everyone, my name is Aradalisha. You can call me Ira.
Okay, Ira. I'll call you Ira. All right. Arik. Now's your turn. Hi, Arik.
Hi teacher and everyone, my name is Uncle Arik Mirza Zafri bin Uncle Zulkifli. You can call me Arik.
Okay, Arik. Thank you so much. All right, next we have Tina. Is that Tina? Okay, Tina.
Hi everyone, my name is Tina Cynthia Augustine Thomas and you can call me Tina.
Okay, Tina. Next we have Darshana. Hello, Darshana.
Hi everyone, my name is Darshana Krishnamurthy and you can call me Darshana.
Okay, Alisha. It's your turn.
My name is Alisha Imani binti Azizi. You can call me Alisha.
Okay, kids, thank you for being here with us. Are you guys ready to learn maths today? Give me a thumbs up. Okay, kids, looks like you're excited, and I think everyone out there is also excited to learn today, teacher. But
Yes.
first of all, what are we going to touch on today, and what are we going to do?
Okay, as you asked me just now, what is that about?
Okay, what
this
is
is what we call abacus. Okay, this is what we call abacus, and today we're going to learn abacus and mental calculation. How do it works together? I'll teach you how. Okay, before that, let me share with you the learning objective for today.
Okay, sure.
Alright. So at the end of the section, kids will be able to represent number values within 1,000 using abacus. That abacus, okay?
This
and then
one?
calculate direct addition and subtraction within 1,000 using abacus, and calculate direct addition and subtraction within 10 using mental calculation.
All right, teacher. As you say, we're going to learn until thousands. Even though
Yes.
abacus looks this small or that big, it can cover up to thousands, okay, kids? And also, they say if you don't have a calculator, use an abacus.
Yes.
It's not really a saying, but I think it's better if kids learn to use the abacus because it's really useful. Okay, teacher, what can we start with first today?
Okay, we're going to learn. Okay, before we start, I'm going to share with you the type of abacus that we have today. Okay,
All
there are
right.
many types of abacus in the market today. Okay, let me show you this.
Okay.
Okay, this is the 5-2 abacus. Okay, why I call it 5-2 abacus? Because 5 lower beats and 2 upper beats. We used to use this abacus at school now, but now we have better abacus, which is 4-1 abacus. What is the difference? Let me share with you.
Okay, teacher.
All right.
So basically, the traditional one, there's 5 beats, teacher,
Yes,
at the
yes.
lower part. All right.
So this is 4-1 abacus.
Okay.
Why I call it 4-1? Because 4 lower beats and 1 upper beats. What's the difference between these two? It's easier to learn the place value with this abacus. Okay? If that one a little bit hard because you have tens in one rod. And this one, each rod represent until 9. Okay? So easy.
And this one is a bit heavy, teacher.
Yeah, that's a bit heavy. It
Yes.
depends on the material.
Okay. All right.
So even 4-1 abacus also, we've had many types of abacus. A long abacus.
All right.
Okay. And then we also...
This one? This very nice
small.
looking... Oh, the small one. Okay.
And we also have baby abacus.
Baby
Okay. A small abacus which we can put it in the pocket. Easy to bring it anywhere. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Teacher, whether it's big or longer or smaller, it still has the same amount of beads
Yes.
and the same amount of function.
Exactly. The function and the calculate method is the same.
All right, kids, before we start anything, I know you all are very excited to learn because we have all sorts of abacus here and we have all sorts of props to use today. But before that, let's go for a short break first on Didik TV KPM. We'll be right back.
Didik TV KPM. Didik TV KPM.
Welcome back, kids. You're still watching Didik TV KPM. Today we'll be learning about mathematics, specifically on abacus. So we're exploring how to use abacus, and we're still here with a teacher, Ragu, to teach us more, teacher. All right, just now you explained about the traditional one with 5 beats, and also the conventional, perhaps the more common one nowadays. And then we have the next one, teacher, which is this one I'm interested to know about.
Yes.
Can you explain more about this, teacher?
Okay. There is a abacus without beats also. Okay. It's using slider.
Slider.
Okay. But the function is the same and the calculate method is the same. Only the abacus is using slider.
Okay. All right. So we just press them down, teacher.
Yes.
Okay.
The method are the same. Okay. Before we start anything, let's learn the name of the parts in abacus. Okay. Let me show you with my big abacus.
Okay.
Okay, the big thing which hold the everything, all the things inside there, we call it frame. Okay, this is the frame. And then this one, we call it beats. Okay, the up one, we call it upper beat. We call it upper beat. If the up one is upper beat, what do we call the down one? Can we ask the student?
Of course, students.
All right, okay.
Can we
Tina.
Tina. What is the...
Lower beat.
Very good.
Good
Opposite of
job.
upper is lower. If this is upper beats, this is lower beats. Very good. Okay, in between the upper beats and lower beats, this one we call it beam. Okay, beam. The function of the beam is to separate the upper beat and the lower beat. And whenever we bring the beats toward the beam, there is a value for the beats. Okay, so that's the function of the beam. Okay, the thing that holding the beats. Okay, there's a black color thing holding the beats.
The
We
long
call it
ones.
rod.
Rod.
We call it rod. Okay, there are many types of rods. The rods depends on the size of the abacus. Some they have 11 rods, some with 17 rods, some with 31 rods also.
Okay. Teacher, I would
Okay.
like to ask a question.
Yes.
Is there any abacus out there that doesn't have any beats?
Any beats?
Yes.
Yes. Without beats is the slider
The slider.
abacus.
Oh, just the
like
slider.
just now I saw you.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
using sliders.
All right. Okay, teacher.
Okay. Okay, and then this is a manual abacus. where you don't have any buttons here. But the kids' abacus are auto abacus, I call it.
Auto.
Why?
This one? Oh.
Because
Okay.
they have a button here. Okay, they have a button here. And this button, we call it clearing device or reset button. So whenever you use your abacus, you can press this button to reset back all the bits to the normal posture. But my abacus, I have to reset it myself. Okay?
Okay, all right.
Okay, we have learned the name of the parts of the abacus. Now we go for fingering. We will use these 3 fingers to move the beads. First is our thumb. We use our thumb to move up the lower beads. Our index finger or pointer finger to move down the lower beads. And our middle finger to move up and down the upper beat.
Beats. What happens if we use different fingers, teacher?
It will confuse you sometimes. Sometimes when you do mental, your fingering will help you.
I see. So it helps with the mental calculation.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
And we're going to do mental calculation later. Okay. So now we're going to learn numbers, how to represent numbers using abacus. When I say plus 1, you use your thumb, you up 1 lower beat. 1 lower beat represent 1. When I say minus 1, you bring it down. When I say plus 2, use your thumb, up 2. Minus 2, use your index finger, bring it down. When I say 4, plus 4, so you use 4 lower beats to represent 4. Minus 4, you bring it down. How to plus 5? I only have 4 here.
Yes. How do you do that, teacher?
Okay, can we ask our kids?
Yes, let's ask one of the students.
Alright.
Who would like to answer?
Who would like to answer?
I think Darshana
Okay.
picked
Alright,
her
Darshana.
hands first. Okay.
We need to put 1 upper beat.
Very good, Darshana. 1 upper beat represent 5. So when I say plus 5, you use your middle finger, up 5. You can ask me, I say up 5.
Yes,
Why
you
am I
did.
bringing the beats down?
I was just to ask you that question.
Okay, that's a good question actually. Okay, whenever I bring the beats toward the beam, there is a value for the beats. So whenever there's a value, we call it up. Whenever I say plus 5 means you must up 5. You won't say down 5. Plus 5 and down 5. No.
Okay.
Plus 5 means you up 5. So I am bringing the beats towards the beam. Means there's a value for the beats. So it's up 5.
Okay, teacher.
Minus 5, you bring it back.
Bring it back. Okay.
Okay, when I say 6, 5 and 1 is 6. So what I do, I move it together. Plus 6, minus 6. Plus 6, minus 6.
So this is an important technique to make sure you move it together, teacher.
Yes,
Okay.
you have to move it together. You can. Plus 8. This is plus 8. You cannot do like this for plus 8. 1 by 1 cannot. It's plus 5, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. When I say plus 8, you move together. 5 and 3. This is plus 8.
Okay.
Okay? When I say plus 9,
The whole thing.
the whole thing.
Okay.
Alright,
So the
this is
value of
plus
the first row, first column is actually 9.
Yes.
If you push it closer to the
Yeah,
beam.
if you open everything means it's 9.
Okay, teacher.
Alright, now here I'm going to teach you how to do place value. Okay, with abacus. This is place value for ones. Okay, if this is place value of ones, this is place value of tens. And this is place value of hundreds. Okay, if let's say I ask you to open 11 or plus 11. How do you write 11? 1, 1. So you open 1 bit at 10, 1 bit at 1. 11.
11. I noticed, teacher,
Yeah.
one technique also that you used, you pushed towards the beam the larger number first.
Yes, very good. Whenever we use abacus, we always start from the bigger number to the smaller number.
Okay.
No matter addition, subtraction, multiplication, and also division. We will start from the
Right.
big number to the small number. Okay, when I say minus 11, like you said, the big number must go first. Minus 11.
Okay.
Okay, Shafiqah, can you try one number?
Oh, yes. I would like to
Alright,
try
okay.
one because I've never seen an abacus that big, actually. All
Okay,
right.
plus 4.
Plus 4. Okay, here, I use my
Very
thumb.
good.
All right.
Correct. Minus 4.
minus 4. Push it back with my...
Very good.
Okay.
We give a big number to Shafiqah.
Okay, this is
35.
35. Okay, let's start with a bigger number.
Yes.
So 3
3 at tens.
at tens, and then 5 is this value. So middle finger.
Very good. Perfect.
Okay.
35.
Alright.
Okay, can you reset back?
I reset back. So I push 5 first.
You have to bring the 30 first.
30
Bigger
first.
value.
Okay. And then push back to 5.
Okay, special question for Shafiqah.
Yes, what is it?
123.
Oh my goodness. Okay, can you give me a bit of time? I want to
okay.
take some time. Okay. 100 is here.
1 at hundreds.
And then 3, 30.
123. Sorry.
23, sorry. Okay, I pushed this
2
back.
at tens.
So 2 and then 3 here.
Very good. This is
Alright.
123.
Okay.
Congratulations, Shafiqah.
Thank you. So I just reset them
Alright.
back.
So this is how you do numbers with Abacus. Very easy.
Yeah, it seems very easy. At first, it was a bit hard
Yeah.
to understand, but I think, was it hard for the kids to learn, teacher?
No, they can learn. They can learn.
Okay.
Only thing you
Alright.
need more practice. So with this section, at least you learn something, and later you can practice at home.
Okay. All right. So, knowing that we have all types of abacus, what is the commonly used one for in schools?
4-1.
4-1.
Yeah, the 4-1. The 4 lower slider and 1 upper slider.
And the materials, maybe you can...
Material, you can use the wood one or plastic one is better.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright. Okay, right, teacher. So now that we've learned a bit about the components of the
Abacus and the
and also the numbers
numbers
as well, what are we going to learn next?
Okay, next we're going to do direct addition and subtraction using Abacus.
Okay, I'll move right back there. And then you can be here again.
Okay, now we're going to learn how to do direct addition and subtraction using Abacus. Alright, when I say 4, okay, let's practice together. Kids at home, you can use your own Abacus.
Yes.
Alright, and we practice together. When I say 4, use your thumb up 4. When I say plus 5, you plus up another 5. When I say minus 4, you bring it down 4. That is, what is the answer?
What's the answer?
Who want to try? Umaira.
Umaira.
5.
Very good, Umaira. 5. Okay, reset back. Okay, the next question. When I say 7, you up 7. When I say plus 2, you up another 2. Okay, you up another 2. When I say minus 1, so from down here, you bring it down 1. That is? Arik?
Ah.
Can try Arik?
Arik. What's the answer?
8.
Very good, Arik. Perfect answer. Okay, reset back. Okay, now we're going to do 2-digit number. Alright, 2-digit number.
Up a level.
Yes. When I say 23, so you up 2 tens and 3 ones. 2 at tens and 3 bits at once. 23. When I say plus 5, what do you must do? Shafiqah?
I think take down the upper
Yes,
beat.
up another 5.
Up another 5.
Very good. We
Yes,
up another 5. When I say minus 1, so you
Bring
down 1.
Down 1. Ah.
What is the answer? 27. Yes, 27 is the answer. Okay, we reset back.
Okay.
Okay, one more question. Okay, now question for the kids at home.
Yes.
You can use your abacus and calculate and let me know the answer.
Okay.
25. Open 25. Plus 4
4
minus 2.
minus 2.
That is? Okay,
Okay.
Alicia.
27.
Very good,
Wow,
Alicia.
that was
Correct.
very fast.
Okay.
Thank you,
One more
Alicia.
question. Okay. 37 minus 5 minus 2 plus 9. That is? Ira, can you try Ira?
39.
Very good,
Very
Ira.
good. Okay, teacher,
good.
just to make sure the kids are using their abacus at home, kids, can you pick out your abacus and show it to the camera? I just want to make sure you're not using a calculator. Okay, kids, that's very brilliant. All right, thank you, kids. All right, teacher, continue.
Okay, can we continue, everyone? All right. Are you ready?
Ready? All set?
Very good. Okay.
Okay.
Now we're going to learn 3-digit numbers using Abacus. The same thing, okay? When I say 145, so you open up 1 at hundreds, 4 at tens, 5 at ones. 145 plus 52. So you plus 50 at tens and 2 at ones.
Okay.
What is the answer? 197. You just read the bits only. At the beam, towards the beam. That's the answer. Okay, reset back. I'll show you one more example. When I say 255, so you plus 255. When I say 23, you plus another 20 and another 3. When I say minus 8, you close 8. Now you must be very careful. What is the answer? Who can answer me?
Who can try?
Okay.
Tina, maybe Tina.
Tina? Okay, Tina.
It is 270.
Very good. 270. Some kids, they do mistake here. They will read it as 27.
Oh, I
They forgot
see.
this.
They forgot about
Yeah,
that.
no beats there. So sometimes they say 27, the answer.
Okay.
So it's actually 2, 7 and 0. There's a 0 here.
There's a 0 there.
Yes.
But how will we know that? How will we keep in mind
Okay,
that
when
there's
you
a 0?
start the number from the bigger number, as I said,
Okay.
2, 7, and there must be a number also here. If nothing means it's 0.
So you need to mention every single row that
Yes,
is involved.
every single rods. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay?
All right, teacher.
All right. Can we ask Shafika to do one question?
Oh goodness.
All right,
Give me
one
smaller
addition.
numbers.
Okay, can.
Okay, let me go back
Okay,
to
let her
that
try,
side. Okay.
244
244
plus 55,
plus
50, 5 at tens,
5 at tens,
5 at
and
ones,
then 55
5.
here.
Yes.
Okay.
Minus 4.
Minus 4 here.
That is?
That is 295.
Very good. Perfect answer.
That was really close. I nearly made a mistake.
See, the kids are clapping for you.
Thank you, kids. You're brighter than me. All right.
So, yes, this is how we do addition, direct addition and subtraction using Abacus. Very simple.
Okay.
So to do fast, what you need is practice. Okay, what you need is practice.
Okay.
Okay?
All right, teacher. As teacher Ragu has mentioned, addition and subtraction is easy actually, but you just need to practice using your abacus. But before we learn further into mathematics for today's lesson, let's first take a break and we'll be right back on Didik TV KPM.
Didik TV KPM. Didik TV KPM.
Hey kids, welcome back to Didik TV KPM, and today we're exploring about abacus for mathematics. And just now, teacher Ragu has told us about how to use an abacus, the parts involved in an abacus, and doing addition and subtraction
Direct.
using abacus, direct addition and subtraction. Right, kids? Now that we know a bit about that, we are going to learn a bit about mental calculation, teacher.
Yes, exactly.
So, what does it have to do with abacus?
Okay, how do mental calculation works? Actually, our main intention here is mental calculation. So to learn mental calculation, we must know the basic use of abacus. Once we learn the basic use of abacus, when we do mental calculation, we visualize the bits in our mind and calculate and come up with the answer.
Okay.
So this is how the mental arithmetics works,
Wow.
mental calculation.
Would you agree to say that imagining abacus and the beats in our heads is easier than imagining numbers?
Yes, it's much easier.
It is?
Because it's a visual, you see, visualization skill is very important for the kids. And now if you look at the school syllabus, a lot of higher order thinking questions in problem solving.
Right.
So whenever you start to visualize and do mental calculation, it will increase your visualization skill. So whenever you do problem solving question, once you read the problem, automatically you start to visualize the problem. So then you can see the problem clearly and answer the question according to the questioning.
Okay, teacher, one more question before we start.
Yes.
What is the advantage of using abacus compared to, conventional modern ways like calculators?
Yes, there are calculators also nowadays. Okay, I just tell you a simple difference. Calculator, sometimes when you don't have battery, you can't use it. But your mind will always work. So if no battery, nothing also, your mind still work, you can calculate and come up with the answer.
Okay, all right. Okay, teacher Ragu, without wasting any further time, let's move on with our lesson today.
Now I'm going to teach you how to do mental calculation. Okay. Mental calculation, you have to visualize the abacus in your mind. Okay? Okay, let's look at the slide. Okay. When you do mental calculation, you just get your hand ready on the air. Don't touch your abacus, anything. Just get your hand ready. When I say number 1, you just move your hand freely and you visualize the bits in your mind. Okay, for example, let's look at the slide. Okay, when I say move up 1, so you get your hand ready, you just move up 1. You use your thumb, right? Just move up. And this is what you have to visualize in your mind. 1 bit. So you visualize 1 bit. No numbers, nothing. Just visualize the bit. Okay? When I say move down 1, you bring it down and the bits will disappear. So nothing in your mind now. Okay? When I say move up 2, you visualize 2 bits in your mind. Okay? When I say move down 2, just move your finger like this and the bits disappear. Okay? We go for another 2 more example.
Okay.
Move up 3. So what you have to visualize? Only 3 bits in your mind. Move up 3, only 3 bits. That's all you have to visualize in your mind. And move down 3, the 3 will disappear. Move up 4. You move your finger.
Okay.
And you visualize 4 bits in your mind.
Okay, kids at home, please try doing this together. We don't want to miss this
let's
out.
do together, okay?
Yes.
And move down 4, the 4 will disappear. So this is how we do mental calculation and we visualize the abacus in our mind.
Okay. All right, kids, everything okay? Give me a thumbs up again. All right, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, teacher, what's next?
Now I'm going to share with you some
From the slides.
from the
mental calculation. I think our kids just now practice using their thumb and middle finger as well. So
I'm going to
everyone
show
is
you the
learning as well.
flashcard. How does mental calculation works? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. When I say 5, this is what you have to visualize in your mind. Okay. You move your fingers, and 1 upper bit represent 5. Move down 5, it will disappear. Okay. When I say 8, this is what you have to visualize. Just 8 bits in your mind. Move down 8, disappear.
All right.
When I say 9, you move your fingers together and you visualize 9 bits in your mind. When I say minus 9, boom, the 9 bits will disappear. And when I say 3, you visualize 3 in your mind. Okay, move down 3, disappear. Okay, now we're going to do mental calculation, direct addition and subtraction, number within 10. We just do small number first, okay? Alright, now for the first question, I'll show you here. Then second and third question, you have to visualize yourself. Okay? What you have to visualize, alright.
Alright.
Okay. When I say 4, you visualize 4 bits in your mind. When I say plus 5, you plus another 5 in your mind. When I say minus 5, bring down 5. That is 4. Okay, that is 4. Okay, now I reset. Okay, now you use your mental to calculate. Alright?
Get ready, kids.
Get ready, kids.
Alright.
Are you ready? If you're ready, show me your like hand. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Very
Okay,
good.
Let's go.
Okay, just relax yourself. Get your hand ready. Don't be stressed.
Stretch a
Let's
bit.
calculate. Yeah, stretch a
Do
little
some
bit.
fingers exercise.
All right.
Okay.
No stress when you do abacus. Okay.
Yes.
Plus 4 plus 5 minus 4. That is Tina.
It is 5.
Very good. It's 5.
Okay.
We try one more question.
All right, sorry, Arik, are you okay? I saw you sleep a bit just now.
He's
Okay.
visualizing, I think.
He's visualizing
He's
the
going deep inside.
Oh, okay, just
Alright.
closing your eyes like that. Okay.
Careful, when you go deep inside, you will get into sleep.
Be careful.
Just joking, okay?
All right.
When I say 7, you visualize 7. When I say minus 2, bring down 2. When I say minus 5, bring down 5. That is Arik.
0.
0. Very
Looks
good,
like Arik was
Arik.
thinking deep enough.
Yes, this is how you visualize. Okay, one more question. When I say 9, you visualize 9 bits in your mind. When I say minus 5, you bring down 5. When I say minus 2, you bring down another 2. That is Shafika.
Oh, goodness. Can I answer?
Yes.
2.
Very good. 2 is the best answer for this question.
This is really good practice for me because I don't have a good imagination of things.
All right.
But this actually really helps me.
Yes, it will work. It's a good practice for our brain actually.
Yeah.
Okay, it's actually good a brain gym. Sometimes we call it a brain gym. How to
Brain
to activate our brain, left and right brain
Okay.
together.
So for this morning, it's actually the most good thing to do in the morning is to
Exactly.
practice your brain before you start your day.
Yes, this is one of the method to do addition and subtraction. Rather than standard written method is using abacus. It's an option.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Now we're going to do. I'm going to teach how to represent money using abacus.
Ooh.
Okay, money.
Okay.
Okay, if you look at your abacus, there will be a point at the second rod. Can I know what is the name of the point?
Who would like to
Kids,
try?
can you help me, kids?
Okay, maybe Humaira.
Okay, Umaira.
It's a pointer.
Very good, Umaira. It's a pointer. Okay.
Pointer.
Why do you have pointer here? Okay, whenever you do money, okay, if let's say 50 cents. So how you write 50 cents? RM 0.50. So this is the pointer. So this is 0.50. This is 50 cents.
Oh.
How to represent 50 cents in abacus?
Okay.
Okay, I minus back. If 1 ringgit and 30 cents. So 1 ringgit point 30. 1 ringgit and 30 cents.
Okay.
So this is how you calculate money using abacus. How you represent money in abacus. So when you reset, you bring it down.
Teacher, I would like to
Yes,
ask one
Shafiqah.
question. When you can calculate the points, can you calculate percentage?
Percentage, yes. Percentage, decimal.
Everything.
It's an
fractions,
advanced level.
Advanced level.
Yes.
From there,
Because
I
we can
see.
do multiplication and division. So percentage is related with multiplication and also division.
Oh, I see.
We can do it.
So everything, a lot of things are applicable with abacus.
Exactly.
But from there, I see there's about 4 pointers. Why is that so?
Okay, these are mine pointer. You can, okay, when you do division, so you will start from your left hand side. It's a
Okay.
different method. Okay, division and multiplication, you will start from that side.
Oh,
For addition and subtraction, we will use here.
from the right side.
Okay, and then when
teacher.
you go for bigger number, so you can put the pointer here, sometimes 3.45. So here you cannot put 3.45.
Right.
So we put the pointer here and we represent 3.45 when we do decimal.
All right, thank you, teacher, for that.
Yes. But this is advanced level.
Advanced level,
Today we
okay.
just learned direct addition as a
Direct
basic, as a good knowledge for you. Okay, maybe next section we will learn more.
Okay.
Okay.
All right,
Now,
continue,
Shafika, can
teacher.
you try to
Yes,
represent
I
money
would
using
love to.
abacus?
Okay. I love the topic of money, so I'll do this.
All right. 5 ringgit and 40 cents.
Okay, 5 ringgit. And
No, that is cent.
No, because this is the point. So I
Yes.
have to use it from here.
Very good. 5
and
ringgit
then,
and
40, 0.
yes, 5 ringgit and 40
40
cents.
cents.
Great.
Okay.
Reset.
Reset.
we give a big amount to her.
Okay.
23 ringgit and 80 cents.
23. So I'll push to 3.8.
0.8.
Okay, so 8 is here and then 80, right?
Yes, 80 cents.
Is that correct, teacher?
Yes, perfect.
Yay.
23 ringgit and 80 cents. Okay,
Thank you,
now
students.
Shafika will show an amount.
Okay.
And kids at home, you let me know what is the amount.
Okay,
All
sure.
right.
Are you
Okay,
ready?
all right. Okay,
Should I use
Shafika.
the bigger number as well?
Yes.
Okay,
You can
kids,
reset back.
ready. I'll reset first and then... Okay, kids, I'm going to do this. First, I'm going to put here and then here and here. It's like playing games. And then here.
Okay, who can let me know what is the amount of money
Uh-huh.
shown in this big abacus?
I think everyone wants to try.
Okay, you choose.
Okay, let's try Ira. Ira has an answer for a while.
Ira?
Okay, Ira.
Is it clear,
Are you-
Ira? Yeah, you can see the abacus.
Can you see it? Okay.
5.
Ringgit?
I think it's a bit too hard, teacher. Or
No.
maybe someone can
Okay,
help
someone else
us.
can help Ira.
Ira, yes.
Okay, Tina. Can you help Ira, Tina?
It is 45 ringgit and 25 cents.
Is it correct?
Wow. Yes, teacher. I think
Yes,
she's
correct.
right.
All right, congratulations,
Congratulations.
Tina.
Thank you, Tina, for
Good
helping
try,
Ira
Ira.
out.
Good try.
Okay.
Good try.
All right, kids. We'll be teasing your mind more after this, but we'll go for a short break first. Get your drinks and get a bit of food to snack up on your tummy. So we'll be right back on Didik TV KPM.
Didik TV KPM. Didik TV KPM.
Welcome back to Didik TV KPM, and today we're learning about mathematics with teacher Ragu. And just now he taught us about the abacus, how to use it, how to do direct addition and subtraction, and using mental calculation, right, teacher?
Yes, exactly.
That was really exciting, kids. So that's why you have to always stay tuned to us. We still have our students at the back, right, teacher?
Yeah.
Without wasting further time, please continue with our lesson.
Okay, just now we learned how to represent money using abacus. Okay, now let's say I buy few things, and how am I going to calculate the total amount using abacus? Okay, let's say I went to a shop to buy face mask. So I bought this face mask for 52 ringgit. Okay,
Oh.
52 ringgit. So I add 52 ringgit, 52.00. Then I buy another hand sanitizer. Okay, hand sanitizer. So hand sanitizer is it's a need for every family. Okay, everybody must have this hand sanitizer.
Yes.
So it's 12 ringgit and 50 cents. So I add another 12 ringgit and 50 cents. So what is the total amount of money I have to pay? 64 ringgit and 50 cents. So this is how we calculate money, the total amount using abacus. Let me share you one more example. Okay, let's say I go to a stationery shop. I want to buy a pencil box. Pencil box. Kids need a pencil box.
Yes,
okay?
definitely.
5 ringgit. So I add 5.005 ringgit. Then a sharpener. A sharpener for 40 cents. 0.40 40 cents. And a file to put all my certificate. 4 ringgit and 50 cents. So how I add 4 ringgit and 50 cents? 4 ringgit and 50 cents. So what is the total amount that I have to pay? Chang, Shafika, can you let me know what is the total amount?
You have to pay 9 ringgit. Oh, wait. Yeah, 9 ringgit 90 cents.
Perfect, Shafika. Very
okay.
good. 9 ringgit and 90 cents.
All
So
right.
Shafika, when you go shopping next time, please bring your abacus along.
I will bring this pocket size. This is very cute.
Yes, the baby
I can bring it
abacus you can
anywhere.
keep inside your pocket.
Yeah.
Okay? So this is how we calculate money and the total amount using Abacus.
Okay, so Abacus is good to apply to calculate things that you want to buy, kids, because you always have to make sure what you buy is within your budget, right, teacher?
Correct, exactly.
Okay, so what's next, teacher?
So we can go for a reflection, actually, what we have learned today.
Yes, please.
Okay, can we ask the kids to do reflection first, what we have learned today?
I think we
before
should.
I do the reflection.
Right, I want to hear from Ira just now. Ira, what have you learned from today's lesson?
Today we learn for this lesson addition and subtraction of abacus,
Okay.
mental calculation, and money calculation of abacus.
Okay, wow.
How you feel using Abacus, Ira, to calculate?
It's like helping solving problems.
It's help you to solve problem solving. To solve the problem, is it?
Yes.
Okay, good, Ira, good.
All right, Ira.
Can
I
anybody
think-
else share?
Yes. Somebody else, maybe, Arik. He wants to tell us what he learned
Okay,
today.
Today we learn about the parts of abacus,
Alright.
addition abacus, subtraction abacus, money abacus, and mental calculation.
Okay, I think that was
Okay, good.
almost everything.
All right, anybody else want to try? Umaira?
Umaira.
Unmute, Umaira.
Oh, yes. I think you need to unmute your speaker. Okay.
Today we learn about addition using abacus, subtraction using abacus, mental calculation, money using abacus.
Okay.
Okay,
Can we
all right.
have,
Okay, can you see a differentiate of using standard written method and Abacus? Who can tell me what's the difference? Maybe Darshana? How you find when you use Abacus? Easy for you, hard for you?
Easy.
Easy. Can you count faster or?
We can count fast.
that's
Okay,
good.
all right.
Okay.
All right. Anybody else want to share their experience? Okay, Tina last.
Tina.
All right.
Today I have learned the basics of mental calculation using abacus. This includes addition, subtraction, and money calculation. Using abacus as a tool makes mathematical calculation more faster and interesting at the same time. I wish to master this method of learning and be good at it. Thank you.
Oh,
Okay, thank you,
That was
Tina.
lovely.
Okay. Actually, as
Alright.
what we know, congrats, Tina. Congrats to all the kids actually, and all the kids at home also. Okay, actually, as we know, practice makes perfect. You need more practice. If you want to do faster, actually, Abacus calculation, you can calculate and come out with the answer very fast. But what is important is practice. You need more practice. Whenever you practice every day, you can do better and you can do faster using Abacus. So after you do Abacus, later when you visualize the Abacus in your mind, and you can do mental calculation as well. So mental calculation, I repeat again, is not about visualizing numbers and anything. It's just visualizing the bits in your mind, calculate and come out with the answer.
Right. Okay, that was teacher Ragu teaching us mathematics DLP today on abacus and mental calculation. Thank you,
Exactly,
teacher,
yeah.
for being with us in the studio today. It was a great help for me to learn about abacus. I haven't heard about the ways to use abacus before because I've never learned, but now I know, teacher.
All right.
All right, and kids out there, you can also use abacus to calculate things and use it, imagine it in your mind for
Correct.
mental calculation, and this will help you a lot, especially in spending money. So make sure you use and spend wisely, all right, kids? And that's all we have for today. We're going to be back on Didik TV KPM, so be sure to tune in. And for kids, thank you so much for being with us. Everyone, you were a great help. You are so wonderful. Okay, kids, bye to the screen. We're going to go now. Assalamualaikum. Bye.
Bye.
TV KPM